ഇന്നിവിടെ പറയുന്നത് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയ ഒരു ഭാഗമാണ്. കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ലായുടെ നമുക്ക് കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറുമാണ്. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരെല്ലാം സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ദിവസം വിടുന്ന വീഡിയോകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായി കിട്ടുകയുള്ളൂ. Question number 1. The meeting of CSEB deals with answer Rule 182 subsection C. Meeting of CSEB deals with Rule 182 subsection C. Question number 2. Interlocutory order issued by answer Tribunal. Interlocutory order issued by Tribunal. Question number 3. Fee for revision and review. Answer rupees 250. Fee for revision and review. Answer rupees 250. Question number 4. Dash constitute a cooperative tribunal. Answer government. Government constitute a cooperative tribunal. Question number 5. The year in which Indian Evidence Act was passed. Answer 1872. The year in which Indian Evidence Act was passed, 1872. Question number 6. Interlocutory orders or tribunal is issued in the case of dash. Answer appeal and revision. Question number 7. The share suspense account should be deposited in finance bank within dash days. Answer 40 days. The share suspense account should be deposited in finance bank in 40 days. Question number 8. The nomination paper shall be form number dash. Answer 36. The nomination paper shall be in form number 36. Question number 9. The expenditure statement relating to election of cooperative society shall be a state cooperative election commission within dash days from the date of election. Answer 7 days. The expenditure statement relating to election of cooperative society shall be a state cooperative election commission within 7 days from the date of election. Question number 10. Ballot paper is signed by answer returning officer. Ballot paper is signed by returning officer. Question number 11. Fee for appeal to tribunal for a election dispute. Answer rupees 2000. The fee for appeal to tribunal for election dispute rupees 2000. Question number 12. Appeal of tribunal should be form number. Answer 15. Appeal of tribunal should be form number 15. Question number 13. What is the form number of nomination paper? Answer form number 36. What is the form number of nomination paper? Form number 36. Question number 14. In a PAX, who will be the electoral officer? Answer assistant registrar. In a PAX, who will be an electoral officer? Answer assistant registrar. Question number 15. Publication of preliminary voters list is done by answer electoral officer. Publication of preliminary voters list is done by electoral officer. Question number 16. How many amount are deposited for giving nomination in the election? Answer 250. How many amount are deposited for giving a nomination in the election? Answer rupees 250. Question number 17. In which section of KCS Act deals with the reservation for women and SC/ST? Answer section 28A. In section of KCS Act deals with the reservation for women and SC/ST. Answer section 28A. Question number 18. The election fee should be paid to dash. Answer government. The election fee should be paid to government. Question number 19. Arbitration fee for filling election dispute shall be dash. Answer rupees 5,000. The arbitration fee for filling election dispute shall be rupees 5,000. Question number 20. Die harness is as per rule dash of KCS Act 1969. Answer Rule 188A. Die harness is as per Rule 188A of KCS Act 1969. Question number 21. The scale of pay for different category of cost of various cooperative societies will be as per. Answer Appendix 3. The scale of pay for different categories of cost of various cooperative society will be as per Appendix 3. Question number 22. Staff pattern as per rule dash. Answer Rule 198. Staff pattern as per rule. Answer 188. Question number 23. The authority to suspend an employee is dash. Answer Managing Committee. The authority to suspend an employee is a Managing Committee. Question number 24. The government appoint an officer not below the rank of dash of cooperative society on deputation basis to be a secretary of CSEB. Answer Deputy Registrar. Question number 25. Age limit as per rules. Answer Rule 183. Age limit as per rules 183. Question number 26. In the case of applicants who are employees of cooperative society for the appointment in the apex society, the maximum age limit shall be dash years. Answer 50 years. Question number 27. The managing committee of a society shall constitute a disciplinary subcommittee consisting of not more than dash of its committee members. Answer 3. The managing committee of a society shall constitute a disciplinary subcommittee consisting of not more than 3 members of its committee members. Question number 28. The Secretary of Pension Board shall be below the rank of Cooperative Department. Answer Additional Register. Secretary of Pension Board shall be below the rank of Cooperative Department. Answer Additional Register. Question number 29. Minimum family pension of cooperative society. Answer 2,500 rupees. The minimum family pension of cooperative society. Answer 2,500 rupees. Question number 13. Self-finance pension scheme was introduced in. Answer 3rd June 1993. The self-finance pension scheme was introduced in 3rd June 1993. Question number 31. CSEB established as per amendment made in dash. Answer 2000. CSEB established as per the amendment made in 2000. Question number 32. Officer and other employee of board deals with the rule. Answer Rule 182D. Officer and other employees of board deals with 182D. Question number 33. The chairman of recommended committee of Regional Cooperative Milk Producers Union Committee. Answer the secretary in charge of Dairy Development Department. Question number 34. In which year all assets and liabilities of existing Kerala Cooperative Employees Welfare Board shall be transferred to new Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Board constituted under Section 80D of this Act? Answer September 13th, 1986. Question number 35. Falling from the part of officer or employees of society to produce the books, record, cash balance, etc. for inspections under Section 66 shall be treated as an offence under. Answer Section 94, subsection 4. Question number 36. Share suspense account utilized for any other business. He will be punishable for dash. Answer rupees 5,000. The share suspense account utilized for any other business. He will be punishable for rupees 5,000. Question number 37. The punishable for election corruptions. Answer 6 months imprisonment or fine rupees 1,000 or with both. Question number 38. The appeal to tribunal against the award of. Answer arbitration court and register. Question number 39. Name of cooperative tribunal in Kerala. Answer the Kerala Cooperative Tribunal. Name of cooperative tribunal in Kerala. The Kerala Cooperative Tribunal. ഇതിനിടയ്ക്ക് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ല കേട്ടോ, ഇത് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. Question number 40. The review to tribunal should be given in form number dash. Answer 60. The review to tribunal should be given in form number 60. ഇത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. Question number 41. Appeal to tribunal be given form number. Answer 50. Appeal to tribunal be given form number 50. ഇത് അപ്പീലും അപ്പീൽ 50യും അടുത്ത് റിവ്യൂ 16ുമാണ്. ഇത് രണ്ടും കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആയി പോരുതേ. Question number 42. The rate of application fees fixed by dash. Answer register. The rate of application fees fixed by register. Question number 43. The rank list as per rule dash shall be valid for a period of 2 months from the date of publication. Answer Rule 182(7). Question number 44. The committee of the cooperative society shall conduct an interview of the candidate within dash from the date of receipt of the candidate list from examination board. Answer 2 months. എക്സാമിനേഷൻ ബോർഡിൽ നിന്ന് കാൻഡിഡേറ്റിന്റെ ലിസ്റ്റ് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കമ്മിറ്റി 2 മാസത്തിനകം തന്നെ ഇന്റർവ്യൂ നടത്തിയിരിക്കണം. Question number 45. Which section of KCS Act deals with the promotion exam conducted by? Answer Section 80B 1A. Which section KCS Act deals with the promotion exam conducted by 80B 1A. Question number 46. Dash percentage of basic pay should be transferred to pension fund. Answer 12%. 12% of basic pay should be transferred to pension fund. Question number 47. Maximum qualifying service for pension. Answer 30 years. Maximum qualifying service for pension. Answer 30 years. Question number 48. Dash is empowered to record and attest the service book of Chief Executive of Cooperative Society. Answer President. Dash is empowered to record and attest the service book of Chief Executive of Cooperative Society. Answer President. Question number 49. The dash shall authenticate the entries in service registers of all employees. Answer Chief Executive. സെക്രട്ടറിയുടെ സർവീസ് ബുക്ക് കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യുന്നത് പ്രസിഡന്റും എംപ്ലോയീസിൻ്റെത് ചീഫ് എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവും ആയിരിക്കും. Question number 15. The application for appointment under die harness scheme shall be made by the dependent within dash from the date of the death of employee. Answer 1 year. Question number 51. Elections and terms of members of committee specified in which rule? Answer Rule 39. The elections and terms of members of committee specified in which rule? Answer 39. Question number 52. Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Fund was constituted in? Answer 1986. Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Fund is constituted in 1986. Question number 53. The test for recruitment of junior clerk in Consumer Society is done by dash. Answer, Managing Committee. The test for recruitment of a junior clerk in consumer society is done by Managing Committee. Question number 54. The test for the sub-staff recruitment for the post of in PAX is done by. Answer, Managing Committee. PAXിലെ സബ്സ്റ്റാഫുകളെ റിക്രൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എപ്പോഴും മാനേജിംഗ് കമ്മിറ്റി ആയിരിക്കും. Question number 55. Leave rule as per dash. Answer, Rule 190. Leave rule as per 190. Question number 56. Scheduled 1 of KCS Act related to section. Answer, Section 83A. Scheduled 1 of KCS Act related to section 83A. Question number 57. An employee who requires relaxation of educational qualification or graduation may be promoted to higher post only after getting the orders of such relaxation from dash. Answer, Registrar of Cooperative Societies. Question number 58. In an appointment to Apex Society or Central Society, dash percentage of vacancy shall be reserved to employees of similar or higher category of member societies. Answer, 50%. Question number 59. Substance allowances payable as per rule dash of KCS Rule 1969. Answer, Rule 198. Substance allowances payable as per Rule 198 of KCS Rule 1969. Question number 60. Probation is as per Rule dash of KCS Act 1969. Answer, Rule 184. Probation as per Rule 184 of KCS Act 1969. Question number 61. Dash shall have a power to fix or alter the maximum and the minimum limit of establishment expenses of cooperative societies, including the pay and allowances and other benefit of employees of cooperative societies. Answer, Government. Question number 62. All appointments of officers and the servant of Apex or Central Societies for which direct recruitment is resorted to KPSC come into effective form. Answer, April 25th, 1995. Question number 63. The Secretary of the Pension Bodies dash of Cooperative Department. Answer, Additional Registrar. Secretary of the Pension Bodies Additional Registrar of Cooperative Department. Question number 64. Every person appointed to the services of a society by direct recruitment and by the promotions beyond probation for a total period of dash on the duty within a continuous period of 2 years. Answer, 1 year. Question number 65. KIM is an institution under the control of. Answer, Cooperative Academy of Professional Education. Question number 66. All the employees of the society shall be eligible for dearness allowances at the rate allowed by a government to the employees as per rule dash of KCS Rule 1969. Answer, Rule 189. Question number 67. The pension board shall be met. Answer, once in 2 months. Pension board shall be met once in 2 months. Question number 68. Power of CSCB deals with rule. Answer, Rule 182A. Power of CSCB deals with 182A. Question number 69. Minimum appeal fee to tribunal for monetary dispute. Answer, rupees 2000. Minimum appeal fee to tribunal for monetary dispute, rupees 2000. Question number 70. The period for giving revision to tribunal. Answer: no period. The period for giving revision to tribunal, no period. Question number 71. Period for giving review to tribunal. Answer: 90 days. The period for giving review to tribunal, 90 days. The period for revision to tribunal, no period. അതിന് period limit ഇല്ല. പക്ഷേ റിവ്യൂവിന് 90 days ആണ് period. Question number 72. There is no appeal against the order of dash. Answer: cooperative tribunal. There is no appeal against the order of cooperative tribunal. Cooperative tribunal നമുക്ക് അപ്പീൽ കൊടുക്കാൻ സാധിക്കുകയില്ല. അത് ഫൈനൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡിസിഷൻ എടുക്കുന്നത് ട്രൈബ്യൂണലാണ്. ഇതെല്ലാം കൺഫ്യൂസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. എല്ലാം കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. Question number 73. The maximum appeal fee to tribunal for monetary dispute. Answer: rupees 2000. Maximum appeal fee to tribunal for monetary dispute. Answer: rupees 2000. Question number 74. Which section deals with revision of tribunal? Answer: section 84. Which section deals with revision of tribunal? Answer: 84. Question number 75. Which section deals with the review orders of tribunals? Answer: section 85. Which section deals with the review orders of tribunal? Answer: section 85. Question number 76. Dash means re-examination of earliest decision or award passed by the same court. Answer: review. Review means re-examination of earliest decision or award passed by the same court. Question number 77. The members of the CSAB shall be appointed by. Answer: government. The members of CSAB shall be appointed by government. Question number 78. Terms of committee should be specified in dash. Answer: bylaw. Terms of committee should be specified in bylaw. Question number 79. The maximum pension admissible to employees of cooperative society. Answer: rupees 70,850. The maximum pension admissible to employees of cooperative society. Answer: 17,850. Question number 80. Disciplinary subcommittee is as per rule. Answer: rule 198(2)(a). Disciplinary subcommittee is as per rule 198(2)(a). Question number 81. Non-confidence motion should be passed by dash majority of members of committee present and voting. Answer: just above 50%. Non-confidence motion should be passed by majority of members of committee present and voting. Just above 50%. Question number 82. Vacancies in Apex Society or Central Society is mentioned in rule. Answer: rule 187. The vacancies in Apex Society or Central Society is mentioned in rule 187. Question number 83. Service register is as per rule dash of KCS Act. Answer: rule 197. The service register as per rule 197 of KCS Act. Question number 84. The strength staff of cooperative society is fixed by dash. Answer: government. The strength staff in cooperative society is fixed by government. Question number 85. In KCS Act, according to which rule deals with the procedure for recruitment by CSEB? Answer: rule 182(4). in KCS Act, according to which rule deals with the procedure for recruitment by CSEB. Rule 182(4). Question number 86. Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Bodies coming under the administrative control of dash. Answer: Department of Cooperation. The Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Bodies coming under the administrative control of Department of Cooperation. Question number 87. Dash makes a rule relating to staff regulations and the service conditions of the employees of Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Board. Answer: Government. Government make rules relating to staff regulations and the service conditions of employees of Kerala State Cooperative Employees Welfare Board. Question number 88. The tribunal should be a rank of dash in the state. Answer: District Judge. The tribunal should be a rank of District Judge in the state. Question number 89. The list of causes of ready for hearing in each half of the calendar year prepared by the Secretary of Cooperative Tribunal is called. Answer: ready list. The list of causes of ready for hearing in each half of the calendar year prepared by the Secretary of Cooperative Tribunal is called ready list. Question number 90. For appeal to tribunal, dash copies of original award should be produced. Question number 4 copies. For appeal to tribunal, 4 copies of original award should be produced. Question number 91. Dash is a custodian of records of tribunal. Answer: Secretary. Secretary is a custodian of records of tribunal. Question number 92. Appointing authority in cooperative society. Answer: Board of Directors. Appointing authority in cooperative society. Answer: Board of Directors. Question number 93. The government may appoint an officer not below the rank of a dash of cooperative society on deputation basis to be Secretary of CSEB. Answer: Deputy Registrar. The government may appoint an officer not below the rank of a Deputy Registrar of a cooperative society on deputation basis to be a Secretary of CSEB. Question number 94. The rank list prepared by CSEB shall be valid for a period of dash years from date of publication of the same by the society. Answer: 2 years. The rank list prepared by CSEB shall be valid for a period of 2 years from the date of publication of the same by the society. Question number 95. The minimum pension given to retired employees of cooperative society. Answer: rupees 3,600. The minimum pension given by a retired employees of cooperative society. Answer: 3,600. Question number 96. Promotion of an employee of cooperative society is the duty of dash. Answer: Managing Committee. Promotion of employees of cooperative society is the duty of Managing Committee. Question number 97. Dash shall have a power to fix or alter the maximum and the minimum limit of establishment expenses of apex and each class of central and primary society. Answer: Government. Government shall have a power to fix or alter the maximum and the minimum limit of establishment expenses of apex and each class of central and primary society. Question number 98. The disciplinary action against a staff of cooperative society is the power of dash. Answer: Managing Committee. The disciplinary action against the staff of a cooperative society is the power of managing committee. Question number 99. The terms and conditions of appointment of members in CSEB deals with the dash. Rule 182B. The terms and conditions of appointment of members in CSEB deals with the Rule 182B. Question number 100. According to Rule 182.4, the details of vacancies and the qualification of cooperative society should be published in. Answer. At least 2 vernacular newspapers having wide circulation in that area. According to Rule 182.4, details of vacancies and qualification of cooperative society should be published in at least 2 vernacular newspapers having wide circulation in that area.